Hey, matey, it's done. Very famous TikToker Laws turned me onto this model, and I thank her for that. This is such an awesome model. I love models like this. This sailing ship came out awesome. That's amazing. Look at that thing. What a nice model. And this is at, I believe, 300%. It's a little bitty thing. That's why I had the extra supports, because I blew it up so much that I had a lot of things overhanging that were not overhanging in the original model so much. So I thought a little extra support would help, and it did an amazing job. It turned out awesome. Just need a pirate's flag right there. Laws sent me the link for the pirate ship, and it comes from makerworld.com. And if you go to makerworld.com and search pirate ship, you will find it. And it's a very cool model.